Actually, guys, here is my account on TikTok. That is my account on TikTok. So please subscribe it in TikTok. That's my account. And if it's a black cat profile, that's me with like this, with fighting. Yes, that's me, the black cat, and her name is Hailey Ganda. So let's play this game actually. First head, bro. Okay, again. Oh no. Okay, I love it. No. Fine. Let's pick ma up. Yes. No. No. Yes. 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 No. No. Yes. 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 Next game. Next. Hi. May I get a coffee? Yeah, sure. Thank you. Char. My avatar in Roblox. Nah, that's not my avatar. So guys, that's my real avatar in Roblox. What should I pick? $1 million? The million super duper $1 million? Or my BFF Athena? When's the official sorry? Next, that's all guys. Bye bye.